Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install latest version of Node.js and NPM on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS or any Linux distribution. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal. Now verify whether Node.js and NPM install on your system or not using this command node hyphen hyphen version and also npm. If you see this command node not found and also command npm not found but can be installed with the following command, then write this command with sudo privilege sudo apt install node.js and npm, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user, then hit enter. Okay. Now type Y and hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while for installing Node.js on your system. Okay. Now verify the installation using this command. Write this command again. That's it. Node.js 18.19.1 installed successfully, and also npm version 9.2.0 installed. Now I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Node.js. So at first install this package using npm with sudo privilege sudo npm install -g and then hit enter. Okay. Now write this command sudo n lts to install latest LTS version of Node.js. That's it. It may take a while for installing the latest LTS version of Node.js. Okay, now verify the Node.js version. Open new terminal and then write this command and see the output look like this. That's it. Node version 22.15.0 installed my machine. Okay, now I am going to upgrade the npm to its latest version. So write this command with sudo privilege sudo npm install npm at latest-g, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user, then hit enter. It may take a while for installing the latest version of npm. Now verify using this command npm hyphen hyphen version. That's it. npm upgraded to its latest version 11.3.0 from 9.2.0. Now I am going to open node shell on terminal. Simply type node then hit enter. Okay. Now I'm going to write a simple script that will print a message hello world. console.log just hit enter, and here you will see the output look like this. Okay, to exit press Ctrl plus C again, or Ctrl D, or type dot exit. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.